Have you ever wondered why some people your age are financially rich whilst others struggle to make ends meet month after month, year after year? This thought-provoking question introduces us to the wealth gap conundrum, a phenomenon that reveals the stark financial disparity within the same age group. This disparity is not merely a game of chance or a roll of the dice. It's a result of distinct financial decisions, habits, and mindsets. To understand this better, let's turn to one of the world's most successful investors, Warren Buffett. Buffett once astutely observed, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." Now, this quote might sound a bit daunting, but it's essentially about the power of passive income, the ability to generate revenue without actively working for it. It's about investing wisely so your money works for you, even when you're not working. It's about creating a financial buffer that allows you to live comfortably, without the constant worry of the next paycheck. When we look around, we see people of the same age earning vastly different incomes. Some are barely scraping by, while others are enjoying luxurious lifestyles. This discrepancy isn't just about earning more, it's about making your earnings work for you. It's about not just saving, but also investing. It's about understanding the power of compound interest and the potential of various investment avenues. Buffett's wisdom isn't just for the elite. It's a universal truth that applies to each one of us, regardless of our current financial status. It's about shifting our mindset from just earning and spending to earning, saving, and investing. So, how can we harness the wisdom of experts like Buffett to build wealth? Let's delve deeper. Over the course of this video, we'll explore how to earn more, save effectively, invest wisely, and ultimately bridge the wealth gap. Let's embark on this journey towards financial independence and prosperity together. So stay tuned, and let's unravel the secrets to becoming rich. Imagine if you could earn an extra £120 a week. What could that do for your financial situation? In the world of finance, every opportunity to earn is a stepping stone towards financial growth. And that's where side hustles come in. A side hustle is essentially a job you do in addition to your primary job. It's a way to earn extra income, and if managed well, it can become a lucrative source of revenue. Let's take a simple example. Suppose you decide to take up a part-time job in a cafe or bar. You're working a few evenings per week, and you manage to earn an extra £120. It may not seem like much in the short term, but let's look at the bigger picture. When you start to accumulate this extra income week after week, month after month, it starts to add up. After a year, that's over £6,000. After 3 years, you're looking at a sum of around £20,000. Now, that's a substantial amount of money. This isn't just about making enough to splurge on a luxury holiday or the latest tech gadget. It's about creating a financial cushion, a safety net, a startup capital. It's about having the freedom to invest in your ideas, to take calculated risks, to venture into the world of entrepreneurship. But remember, it's not just about earning more. It's also about managing what you earn. Warren Buffett once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." This doesn't mean you need to work 24/7. It means you need to make your money work for you. In the grand scheme of things, a side hustle is more than just an extra job. It's an opportunity to grow, to learn, to build your financial future. It's a chance to take control of your life, to steer it in the direction you want. With a little bit of extra work, you can accumulate a significant amount of startup capital. Now, what do you do with it? What if I told you that saving and investing a portion of your income could be your ticket to financial freedom? Yes, you heard it right. The art of saving and investing a slice of your income consistently can pave your way to a future of financial independence and wealth. Let's start with saving. How much of your income should you save? A renowned investor and business tycoon, Warren Buffett, suggests saving at least 10% of your income. But why save? Well, saving is like building a safety net. It's a cushion for unexpected expenses, a seed for future investments, and a step towards financial discipline. Now, let's move on to investing. Again, it's Buffett who advises us to invest as much as we can afford after covering our necessary expenses and saving goals. But where should you invest? Stocks, shares, crypto, gold, and other precious metals are some of the popular avenues. The idea is to diversify your portfolio, spreading your investments across various sectors to balance risk and reward. Investing in stocks and shares can yield substantial returns over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. Crypto, on the other hand, is a newer and riskier avenue, but with risk comes the potential for high rewards. As for gold and other precious metals, they are often considered safe havens in times of economic turmoil. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about growing your wealth gradually and steadily over time. You need to be patient, disciplined, and committed. It's about making your money work for you, even while you sleep, as Buffett would say. So, if you're looking to build wealth and achieve financial freedom, start saving and investing today. It doesn't matter how small you start. What matters is that you start. Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned, and every penny invested is a potential for growth. So embark on this journey of financial discipline and watch as your wealth grows over time. Now let's combine all these elements. What happens if you follow this strategy for a year? Imagine, for a moment, you're stepping into the shoes of your future self, 1 year from today. You've been diligently working on your side hustle, perhaps waiting tables or pulling pints a few evenings a week, and you've managed to save a substantial sum. Now let's add to this picture. You've been saving diligently, setting aside a percentage of all your income as recommended by financial wizards like Warren Buffett. You've also been investing another portion of your income into assets that grow over time, such as stocks, shares, or precious metals. So, what does your financial landscape look like after a year? Well, if you've been earning an extra £120 a week from your side hustle, that adds up to over £6,000 in a year. And that's just your supplementary income. When we add the money saved and invested from your main income, the figures start to look even more impressive. Remember, Warren Buffett advises that we should find ways to make money while we sleep, or we'll work until we die. The investments you've made are doing just that, earning you money even while you're off the clock. But it's not just about the numbers. It's about the habits you've developed, the discipline you've cultivated, and the financial intelligence you've gained. These are the foundations upon which wealth is built. There are numerous testimonies and sources that underline this strategy's effectiveness. It's a tried and tested path to financial freedom, walked by many of the world's most successful entrepreneurs. Remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a deliberate, methodical approach to accumulating wealth. It takes effort, it takes patience, and it requires making smart financial decisions consistently over time. In conclusion, when you combine a side hustle, diligent saving, and intelligent investing, and do these things consistently for 12 months, you start to set the stage for financial success. It's not an overnight miracle, but with consistent effort and smart financial decisions, the path to riches is more attainable than you think. So you've made it through the year. Now what? It's time to take a look at the road that lies ahead. You've shown incredible resolve and determination to transform your financial future. But this is just the beginning. The first year is often the hardest, but from here, you have a solid foundation on which to build. Think of your financial journey as a marathon, not a sprint. It's about continually pushing forward, maintaining the good habits you've developed, and always seeking out new opportunities. It's about embracing the mindset of lifelong learning, staying up to date with financial trends, and adapting to the ever-changing economic landscape. Remember, your side hustles are not just sources of income, they're potential businesses. As you continue to work and grow them, you might find that one of these hustles has the potential to be your primary source of income. So keep nurturing them, keep innovating, and keep expanding. As for your savings and investments, the strategy doesn't end after 1 year. It's essential to review your portfolio regularly. Are your investments still aligning with your financial goals? Are there new opportunities you should be considering? Remember, the market is dynamic, and you should be too. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha himself, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." This wisdom is a reminder to continue investing and growing your wealth. You've started down this path, and now it's about maintaining momentum and seeking new avenues for passive income. And let's not forget about saving. Financial discipline is a lifelong commitment. As your income grows, so should your savings. Make it a rule to always put aside a portion of your income. This habit will serve you well, providing financial security and enabling you to seize investment opportunities as they arise. The journey to wealth doesn't stop after a year. It's a lifelong commitment to financial wisdom and discipline. This journey is yours and yours alone. It's time to take the reins and steer your financial future towards the prosperity you deserve. So are you ready to embark on your journey to wealth? As we conclude, let's recap the key takeaways from our discussion. First, we looked at the power of side hustles. Whether it's working a part-time job at a cafe or freelancing online, remember that earning an extra £120 a week can add up to a significant startup capital over time. Next, we dived into the art of saving and investing, adopting Warren Buffett's wisdom of making money while you sleep. We explored the importance of setting aside a portion of your income for savings and investments, be it in stocks, crypto, gold, or other precious metals. Finally, we laid out a plan to riches in 12 months. It's not an overnight miracle, but a disciplined and consistent effort towards financial growth. So keep these pointers in mind, stay committed to your financial goals, and embark on the journey to wealth. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and join us on this journey to financial freedom.